Yes, this is Yogeshkr.Rathod. Very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Mark Elliott Zuckerberg. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg was born on May 14, 1984 in White Plain, New York, United States of America. He studied in Phillips Extern Academy, Ardsley High School, and Harvard University. Mark Zuckerberg is computer programmer, internet entrepreneur, philanthropist. Mark Zuckerberg co-founded Facebook with his roommates Chris Hughes, etc. Mark Zuckerberg married to Priscilla Chan. She is a pediatrician and philanthropist. They are having 3 children. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Like and share also. 100% I am delivering. Subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Mark Zuckerberg is an computer programmer, internet entrepreneur, philanthropist, founder of co-founder of Facebook and its parent company Meta Platforms. Mark Zuckerberg's website is www.facebook.com/zuck. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.